guys, welcome back to my channel. I am at my in-laws today, so I'm sorry if the lighting is a little weird. I've got the window open here, light here. I brought my good filming light, but there's nowhere to clamp it, so we're just making do with my original tripod. Anyway, Jesse's playing League. Den's in the shower because he helped mow the lawn. The in-laws are at my brother-in-law's school. He graduates in a couple weeks. So I thought I would sit down and film for a minute. I did bring my Ipsy bag with me because it arrived the day before we left. I meant to get around to filming this earlier, but I didn't. So if you guys want to see what I got in my May 2018 Ipsy bag, then just keep watching. Okay. So here's the bag. It's pretty cute, really small. Again, really nice fake leather. And then inside of this also was the Hermetic Poreless Carbonic Peel. All of the instructions are in Korean, so it must be a Korean skincare brand. And it contains carbonated water, which helps clarify skin impurities, dead skin cells. With its skin purifying effect, it works to smooth and lift enlarged pores, while AHA and BHA stabilize skin turnover. So I think it's a sheet mask. That's pretty fancy. I didn't know that this was coming. Yeah, it feels like a sheet mask. Cool. I'm sorry about my voice. I've got like bad allergies or something going on out here and I'm dying. Anyway, let's open up the bag. This is so cute. I have all these cute bags and I don't know what to do with them. Like, you can only have so many pencil bags, you know? The card says, go there. Sometimes you need to get lost so you can find yourself. So the first product that I received is a Douce Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. It's a pretty big tube. Really, really big brush. Maybe I'll give this to my mother-in-law before we leave because it's not waterproof, so I'm probably never going to use it. The next one is this Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. Tarte has really cute packaging. So it looks like it's a setting powder. It's got a little plug here so then you can let the powder out. And that's awesome. I've always wanted to try more of Tarte's products, so that don't involve mascaras, because I'm particular. So I guess this is not the bonus. This is one of them. It just was too big to fit inside the bag. Next item is the GV Moisturizer with Microalgae Lavender. So it's just a lotion. And last is from Lord & Berry. It's a crayon lipstick in the shade Intimacy. Looks like this. And a swatch of it. That is really creamy. Wow. Okay, I think I want to try that on right now. There are always tissues on my side of the bed. I have to have them. Wow, this lighting is rough. I'm sorry, guys. That's actually a really pretty color. So, the moisturizer, I don't really care. I hate lotion. I can't have lotion on my palms or between my fingers. I just can't. I have to go wash my hands if I do. I like to put it back here though, where I get pretty dry here. Not right now because it's super humid here, but back home where it's really dry, I do. I can't use mascara. So really, it was more of a 3 out of 5. I am excited to give the setting powder a shot. Hopefully there's not a lot of flashback and it would be good for the under eye. Should open this earlier. I've been needing one on this trip. And the Lord and Berry crayon lipstick. I like the color, but I think the packaging is weird. I mean, it's a pencil, so you need to get a pencil sharpener that is big enough for this. I don't have one. Meh. This is kind of just a meh bag for me. I guess I should probably edit my profile and let them know that I don't want moisturizers. Or mascaras. If they can't send me waterproof mascaras, I don't want them. Alright guys, that's it for my May 2018 Ipsy Unbagging. Yeah, it's fine. It's not anything super special, but the bag's cute. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you be a part of our family. You can just hit the button down there. Once you're subscribed, you can check out my previous stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! That's it for my May 2017 and people are yelling outside, and yes, I'll see you guys